For a composite filling, only a small amount of tooth structure needs to be removed, just enough to remove the decay. The prepared area is then filled with the composite material and cured with a high-intensity light. Finally, it is polished to a smooth finish. This movie demonstrates how an amalgam filling is used to restore a large-size cavity. First, the drill removes most of the decay, leaving the area close to the pulp. Slow-speed round burrs carefully remove the remaining decayed areas. A liner can be placed to insulate the filling from the pulp to decrease sensitivity. Then the amalgam can be used to fill the remaining space. It is compacted and finished. The tooth pulp may react and the tooth may become sensitive. If this tooth is healthy, it may be able to repair itself by shrinking the pulp and creating a larger distance between the filling and the pulpal tissue.